Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the OPSOOPI Brake Pedal Lock. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here and remove this, looks like the easier way here. So somewhere in here is an instruction manual that I'm trying to reach. It's also on the back of the box. Not much to it as far as what's in the box. You'll have 3 keys, it looks like, for this. Looks like it's really solid. Note there's a couple extra functions, glass breaker, stuff like that. And no, that's not it. So key slots up top, sorry. Turn. And that's going to allow you to turn things. So once you do this, twist the key, it's going to allow you to kind of turn and lock this. So when we stick it over the pedal, we're going to just go ahead and do that, pull the key out. Well, that's not really working, so maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Probably should read the instruction manual, which I never do. There it is. So we have to pull it up. That's the key. So once we, whether you have the key in it or not, you can just lock it. So we'll just go ahead, turn and pull to a certain point. And then from there, you'll have to use the key to unlock it. See, I can figure these things out. Now note that kind of clicks pretty hard. So just be careful as you do this stuff, that it'll kind of click pretty hard and then go back into that position. Also on here is kind of a blade. So if you need to cut a seat belt, if you're in that locked position, that will allow you to do so. This thing looks sturdy as heck. Got a foot capability here to kind of step on as we kind of turn this, and we need to kind of extend it. You can just stick your foot on it and it should extend it into a position. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate in a vehicle. All right, so to set the lock, you're just gonna literally just put it on top of it, put your foot down, twist, and pull tight. And it should be in a good position, so you can't brake, can't do anything, and you're all set up, and all you're gonna do to remove it, once again, is put your key in, twist, pop it, and remove it. And you can store this under the seat. You can store this, in the trunk or whatever you need to do. Probably going to put it under the seat for me. But this thing is awesome. So, if you're looking for security, this is a great solution that comes with a couple other benefits of seatbelt cutter, window breaker, and you can use it as a self-defense tool as well. So, hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.